What is that?
I wanna get the other box. Oh, this is Hey! What did I get that? Oh.
Okay, go. Don't touch your neck. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Hey. Yay! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Happy birthday, Papa Jesus.
Happy birthday, Papa Jesus.
We're gonna. Dad, can I open the gifts now?
Okay. Not 12 yet, but it's okay.
Yay! Lacey, you open this gift. Okay, Lacey, you open this gift. I'll open this gift. Let's come over here. Baby, what? Let's go over here.
Okay.
Open this gift. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Open our
That's mommy's daddy's gift for you guys.
OMG! What did you get? Open yours.
What?
Open that.
What is that?
I wanna get the other box.
What's that, Lois?
Oh! Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Daddy. This is so bad. What did you get? I got this one.
What's that?
What's that, Lois?
What's inside, Lois?
Other box.
What's inside, Lois?
Other box.
Yeah, I'll grab a garbage.
Yeah, you have to. Look at this awesome presents. So awesome.
Wow, Merry Christmas 2020. Lois, what's inside, Lois?
I have, what do I have?
Mommy, help.
We have so many things in the diary. Thank you. I wasn't
What's that? What's that?
Wheel. Wow.
Wow, it's a scrapbook album.
Lacey.
Oh, yeah, you did.
Oh, Lacey.
What's inside?
Oh, we got the Rocky.
Wow, Rocky.
The trash.
Here, Mommy and Daddy. Here you go. Here's a gift card from you.
Oh, gift card to Chen and Jax from Yana.
Here, Mom.
Whoa, what's inside, Ate?
Open it.
What?
Do Ate. Yeah, your turn. Oh, it's me.
Mommy, bed and bath, but it's Starbucks.
Let's open it up.
Ah.
Asa, yung panguha.
What did you get? What did you get? Wait, what? Wait, I'll help you. Whoa!
Wow, what's that? What's that?
Oh, the lawnmower. Wait, let's press this. Hey! What did I get that? Oh. Thank you.
Can I see? What's that? It's a pet alive zoo room.
Yeah. It shakes its... Oh, I accidentally opened it.
Oh, that's funny.
I accidentally opened it. Let's put it in the ground.
Okay. Wait.
Merry Christmas. Ito po yung
Let's
nakita
put
namin
it
Merry
in the
Christmas.
ground. Let's put it in the ground, Ate.
Okay. Put all the garbage first here.
Sure. What do you do? Don't orange.
No. Slowly.
Some more here. Some
Okay.
more here. More here. Some more there.
Put your gifts on the couch. Put your gifts on the couch so that you know.
Daddy, there you go.
Okay, put your gifts on the couch, Lois.
Lacey, put our gifts on the couch. Thanks, Daddy. This is my favorite. I have this at like school or something.
You're welcome.
I forgot to put.
Lacey, put this on the couch. Put this on the couch.
Gamit.
Yeah.
Sige, tawagin.
Hey, there's envelope. The envelope.
What?
Ate,
This is funny. Daddy, this is funny.
Is that
Yeah,
yours?
put it over there, Lois. Put it over
Wishing
there.
you a beautiful holiday season, Daddy.
Lucy, you're so funny.
What is this thing from funny?
Ashy, Ekta, and
Oh, some more tape.
that's our neighbor.
That's from our neighbor.
Next up is this one. It's on the top in the red
That's
box.
from Yana Lois God.
I can't wait. All these Christmas
let's put
presents have been
everything.
great so far. Okay.
Wait, no.
What?
You should remove your hand. Remove your hand. Like that.
No.
See? Magic.
That's not magic. It's Christmas.
You press you. And this is for Ate Yana.
Ready? Let's open it. 3, 2, 1, go. Find the corner, like there. Oh, there. Now let's open it. Yeah! It's a box! It's a box again! It's a box again! Okay, let's see what. Wait, I think it's shoes. Look inside. Wait, what is this? What is this? I'm surprised.
Oh wow.
I knew it! It's golden boots!
Boots.
It's
Wow.
golden boots. We got the same. I think it's golden boots. Golden boots. Yes, this is Daddy golden boots. Yay! My friends have this.
Wow, Uggs. Wow, Uggs.
Oh, some more tape. Some more prison tape. Okay, Lacey, this is my favorite one yet. Bitter tape. Lacey,
Yeah.
this one's from Mommy's work office. Ready? Yeah. Let's open it together. 3, 2, 1, go. Chocolate. Hey, look, they're little mouses. Little mouses, Daddy.
Wow, what's that?
Yummy.
Mouses?
I love chocolate.
Wow.
It is some more.
There's some more?
Yeah. And the rest of the gifts are, you know. Okay, let's go.
Thank you, Lois.
Oh, I'm just gonna remove this ribbon. How do you remove this? Okay. You did. You got it. Oh, you hit it. You put it in your hoodie top. I don't want to. Cut it. Okay, how many this here go? Now let's open it together. This is only gift. Chocolate again.
Chocolate again?
These are our favorites. Remember, Lois? You ate this a lot and you ate it in one
Girl.
I have fingernails. Now let's put the chocolate like here. Put paper.
Wow. There's more?
Put paper.
There's a lot more.
This one. These 2 bags, Lois.
From who? From who?
And the Daddy, I can't read it. It's from Fancy.
From?
It's Fancy. No, it's
From
Fancy.
Tita Chica.
Oh,
From Tita Chica.
Yeah. Open this one. This one's yours. I think it's Ate. Yeah.
No, that's from Tita Chica.
Daddy.
Yeah. Tendent.
Oh.
Tendent.
Lucy, open this one. Okay.
You
Open
like
this
it so
one.
much.
Kasi lagi kan.
Oh, I
From
don't
school.
want to go back.
Ano to ha?
Oh.
Ribbons. Clothes. That is
Oh, they're enjoying.
Mommy, that's you.
That's yours. Wow, it's so
That's
nice.
yours. I think you got this.
It's yours.
I think you and me. Can you throw the bags away?
Wow, that's a dress, Lois.
Away, 'cause, like they have pins.
You like it? You like it? You like it?
Okay.
You like it, Lois?
Clothes like there. Daddy would do. Okay.
Did you open that?
Open more. Open more.
I brought everyone some gifts. I can't wait to see your reaction on this one.
Can you open that for me?
Open this one. Open this one. You're gonna see your reaction when you open the box.
Let Lois open it. She wants to open it. Okay, open it.
No.
Oh my gosh. What's that?
Glue and pen.
If you look inside, idol see what your reaction is. That's one down.
Wait, what's inside pala?
I worked really hard.
You're working hard, huh?
I saw Daddy was making an infinite gift, so I was like, hey, I can make one too.
Yana made a gift with just a box, the diaper box. Oh, there's something inside.
This. This is your LOL.
But there's something inside, Ella.
LOL.
Hey, this is something. I worked really hard. Like really hard.
Snow, love you, Mom.
Oh, and then.
There's another box. What's that?
I know, you said I can use
There's nothing inside.
Scotch tape.
Scotch tape. Thank you, Ate.
You're welcome.
Yeah, she's just grabbing things and then wrapping it. Oh my gosh.
Why?
Oh.
Why? It's perfect. You use the things around the house and then you love it.
They're enjoying so much.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you. What's in this?
Okay, that is
To Daddy
That's for you.
Jackson
Open
Chan
this.
from Ariana.
Open yours.
Open this
For
gift.
everyone. And for everyone.
What's in here? Whoa, it's a book. Oh my God, mommy. 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 Oh. Oh, yeah, the VTech. Yana gave us the marriage sabbatical book. Oh my gosh. Look, Ate, why is it? It looks old.
For you too, like.
You're
Oh.
Where's this laptop?
Oh.
This one's for mom.
And Sunday missile for mommy.
Oh, I like wrapping gifts.
Let's see what you're doing,
Dad.
Wow, I
Dad,
got.
I want to give the most gifts as possible, so you'll feel loved.
What? Lois, Yana has so many gifts.
Family.
Daddy Jax.
Family.
What's inside here?
Oh, Dad, this is the tiniest gift for you.
Wait, there's so many in my hand.
Oh no, there's
What is this?
cards.
Ah,
There's mini cards.
candy.
Oh, my post-it
Come.
is here.
No, that's nothing. That's nothing. The rest are just okay. Just put that aside.
Okay.
Maybe this is Daddy's t-shirt.
Yeah, I'll put this on. Oh my God, tissue.
Here you go.
Oh, Lois has a gift for you.
It's true. That's for mom and dad. I use tapes. So
Oh,
like the pen won't like erase.
Yana made so much gifts.
I know what's this, Ate. These are
What
a
is
set
this?
of pencils.
Wait, what's this?
No, they're not pencils.
You pull this
Pencil,
one.
see?
It says here pull.
I know.
This is for dad. Daddy, look. What?
Whoa, minion.
I worked really hard on all of these, okay?
Snow.
Oh, Lois, you saw your DVD.
Lois, you got a DVD?
Minion.
Minion DVD?
That's from long time
This
ago.
is for mom.
What is this? There's
What?
nothing.
Wow.
Lots of presents in there. Okay,
What's this, mommy?
here, Lois. These are all for you.
Glitter glue.
But I thought it would be useful.
Yeah, this is for you.
No, it's for useful.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna use it. It's my lip balm. Is it a lip balm?
Not lip balm.
Oh, I got so many gifts from Ate.
Oh, and Lucy, you'll be surprised when you open this one. Oh, okay. Open this one. It's your
This is the best gift ever.
look, this
I don't know
is the best.
where she got this.
Lucy,
Hmm. What's that, Lois?
it's something heavy. It's something that you never imagined. The phone.
Oh, Lois had the phone.
Yeah, her own phone, so she won't stop using our phone.
Oh, you dropped. It's broken now. It's okay. The cover. Oh no.
The DNA.
Wait, does it turn on? Can you turn it on? No, turn it on.
It's Mama.
It's low, but you did not charge it. It's been there for a while. What is this? Oh, it's a mechanical pencil.
And Loisy, these are all for you.
Oh my gosh.
Welcome.
Thank you, Ate.
And you'll never guess what this one is.
This is the best gift
Well, I
so
gotta
far.
fix my hair.
Nice.
You fix your hair? What? Oh, okay.
Okay, what? Loisy. Loisy, what's that?
Got it. It's really hard.
Stay here, Loisy.
And no,
Stay here.
I did open the gift.
Yeah, I cannot see you.
I did open the gift. It's a toy.
Come on, Loisy, what's that? Lois has a phone?
Here, and this is the best one yet.
Where's the phone? You're just putting it on the floor.
Daddy, I showed you
What is that, Lois?
Remember, like the this one's the best one. That one's the best one. That one is the total best one for Lois.
What is that,
But
Lois?
it's the most messiest month for Lois. You gave it to us, Daddy, so don't forget it.
What is that?
It's something really messy, but you don't forget it. Okay, because you buy it for us.
You bought
Buy
it?
this one, this one, this one, this one. It's
Oh
very
my
good.
god. Yay.
It starts with the letter S.
S. Huh?
It is. I'm just opening it. I got nothing. Want me to help you? No.
No. What's that, Lois? Face here. I cannot see. You're having a hard time opening it?
I'll help you. No, not. It's hard because it's like circle. Oh, yeah.
What's inside, Lois?
I can starts with the letter S. Oh, yeah. I can do that.
I can do what?
It's not a box inside. It starts with the letter S.
What's inside?
Slime!
Oh,
It's
slime.
glitter slime.
Wait, is it a real one?
Slime. It's real slime.
Oh.
use?
Thank you,
I don't
Ate.
have nothing in mine.
Nice girl. Bye. Lois. Ay, Lois has so many presents pa. But okay. Bye-bye.
If you want to find out, like down in the comments.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
for watching. Ooh, Merry Christmas, everyone. Ouch. Ouch.
The rest of the presents are down. Here you go. These are the rest for you all.
Bye, guys.